Imagine a world where you're not just a spectator, but the master creator. A world where you can transform a piece of lumber into a piece of art. Welcome to Ted's Plans DIY. Crafted by a certified master woodworker, Ted's Plans offers a collection of over 16,000 woodworking projects. Each plan is meticulously designed with step-by-step instructions, drawings and blueprints. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artisan, these plans are tailored to your needs. From furniture to garden sheds, there's a project for everyone. And if you're ever feeling stuck, you're not alone. With support from master woodworkers via email and forums, you're part of a community that's ready to help. So why wait? Dive into the world of woodworking with Ted's Plans DIY. Make your mark one project at a time.